Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This collab is Refurbish the Love. The hosts are Buffy's Designs and Living Life with Lawn. Please fully watch the video and like and subscribe and check out all the ladies on the playlist and do the same for them too, because it really helps our channels grow. Okay, this is my, as you can see, it's a thrift little, you can either use it to make a door hanger or you can even set it on a stand if you like. But I'm gonna redo it a little bit. I don't like the way they have the brown. I don't like the brown. I'm gonna kind of make it look more spring and light colored. First, I'm going to get the sticker off the back, and then I'm going to dry brush it in white. I want it to look rustic, because rustic and farmhouse is kind of my style, but I don't like, this isn't my style. So I'm going to take some white paint and dry brush, which means I'm going to wipe most of the paint off and then just go down and brush it with white paint. You want to make sure you get it all the way to the bottom. Get a little bit more paint and brush it off. And you can put as much or as little paint on it as you want. I'm gonna also go and do the back while I'm at it. And it's always better if you get some paint on your shirt, just saying. And don't forget the handle, because that'll be seen too. And now I'm going to just let this dry. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to just let it dry. Okay, I let this dry. Now I couldn't find my sandpaper, so I'm gonna use some steel wool and I'm gonna just get those marks to show. And maybe make the edge look a little worn. See how I'm bringing that to life? See, it's this. See what happens when I sand it? And the more that you want to show, the more you sand it down. If you want to go up and scuff up the handle a little bit to make it look like it's just old and worn. Now I'm going to paint the bottom. Okay, here's our container. I'm going to add some foam in it. Okay, we're going to add some boxwood. It's kind of fun. It's got variegated leaves on it. I'm adding a little bit coming out the front, not a whole lot. Just trying to make like a little boxwood bush. Did is I want this one here to be the tallest, and then these two here shorter, and then make my way down. And I'm going to try to do the same with the flowers. First I'm going to see how tall the different ones are, because when you cut them off the stem, they're in various lengths. It's not like fresh where you're the one that makes the length. And I'm just doing zigzag down. This one here will have to be cut a little shorter. See the zigzag pattern? That's what floral is, a zigzag pattern. And since I'm throwing in another color, I'm using this white as a this is my drama in this piece. This is my main accent. I want those leaves pushed up. Man, they won't budge. Okay. If you don't take the leaves off, like these, that just adds like another greenery. So that's kind of nice in your arrangements. Okay. go fill in the side over here a little bit, because say it's on your door, people will still see the side of the arrangement. And then this one, I don't know. Can you see what I see? There's a hole right there, so this one has to go there. When you stand back, the best thing to do when you're done with a wreath or a arrangement, stand back and look at it. If you see a gap or a hole, that means it needs filled in. And then, of course, last but not least, we're going to add, which here's a trick. Take one of those stems that you just cut off your flowers, wrap it around your pipe cleaner for your bow, because you guys know I love to make these dramatic bows. Here's the dramatic bow. Red ribbon, black and white buffalo clad, and a brooch from the thrift store. And then you can just add that. Right in the floral. And there's your arrangement.